All right, ukuleles. That's right, I said it. Ukuleles are a bet against inflation. All right, this is the time right now to act. I want you to trust me on this because as the biggest ukulele dealer on the planet, I see the insides. This is the insider information for you, but ukuleles right now, they're the best bet against inflation. Why is that? Because most of the companies have not raised their prices yet. As you see everything going up, you go to the gas pump, you've seen it up. I've seen my truck go from $100 to fill it up to $140, $150 to fill it up. All right, you've seen going to the grocery store, going everywhere. Things are more expensive now, right? Guess what hasn't gone up yet is ukuleles, right? Now, you're going to start seeing that because they can't hold off. All the companies cannot hold off because they're experiencing the same things as everyone else. As materials go up, as their electricity goes up, as labor goes up, as everything goes up, okay? So this is the time right now to grab a new ukulele, store.ukuleletoPros.com before it all goes up, okay? Because it will go up. Trust me on this. From this video right now I'm giving it to you today, you're going to have brands like the Koaloha, Kanalea, all these great brands that have not raised their prices yet, but it's coming. It's for sure coming. I don't know when it's going to come, but there's no way it can't come because we're all experiencing it and everything is going up. So this is a bet right here. Ukuleles, and I say this in a joking way, but also in a serious way. This is a bet against inflation because your value, your money goes so much further right now in the ukulele world than it does with anything else in your life, from gas to food to commodities to everything else. So anyway, store.ukuleletoPros.com. Grab, if you've been holding off, thinking about it, I don't know, maybe I should wait a little bit. Don't wait. Don't wait. This is the time. This is now because everything will be going up. And then when you see how much it does go up, and I'm gonna predict that prices are gonna jump a lot more this next round of price increases with all the companies than we've seen in the previous years because inflation is rising at such a high rate for everybody. Anyway, store.ukuleletoPros.com. Get that ukulele you've been looking at, you've been thinking about, you've been dreaming about. Act now. Act now before things go up.